So I want to make this clear, and I want to really be transparent with this video, especially how people will want to make money online and learn how to start making money or start their own business. The matter of the fact is that there's so much fake knowledge out there, especially on YouTube and on Instagram lately, that it almost defeats the purpose of making money online. Most of these YouTubers, especially like even in my niche where I sell full-time on Amazon. That's what I do. Look, here is my business. Here is my numbers. You can see like this year I've made over $1 million in sales. I mean, profit. This is what I do for a living, right? And I'm trying to teach people how to do Amazon FBA for free, and my whole YouTube channel is related to that. But then when you go on YouTube and you search like how to sell on Amazon, the #1 ranked people never have sold on Amazon. They just are giving like that basic information, and maybe they have sold on Amazon in the past and failed because nobody ever shows you their income, their business. All they do is give you that basic information to, you know, give you hope. But all these big YouTubers out there, I would probably say honestly about like 10% are actually doing what they're saying they're doing. And like 80 to even 90% of them are just people that are just claiming that you can make money online, trying to sell courses and make money from YouTube ad revenue, because this whole niche here with making online is really good with ad revenue. But I just need to make that clear. Like a lot of people out here are just claiming this. It's insane to me. I really wanted to make a video about this just to talk to you guys and let you guys know like the honest truth, because I know a lot of people are skeptical when they see all these make money with this, make money with that, especially with AI coming out. Yeah, you could make money with AI, SaaS. You could make money with a lot of opportunities. But a lot of the ones like these people are talking about, like drop shipping, because I've been selling online my whole entire life. Drop shipping is probably one of the worst business models, in my opinion, you get into. It's because it's more like you're not building a long-term business, more like a side hustle in that sense. What I like about selling on Amazon from my point of view is that I'm building a long-term business, right? Like I've been doing this one for 5 years now. And that's how I make my income. And I see it increase and grow 50 to 100% each year by, you know, investing my time and efforts in this. That's what I want to see when I make money online. With drop shipping, so if you're not familiar with drop shipping, that's like when you make a website, you put a bunch of products on your website that you don't have in your possession. When somebody buys from your website, you order from China and you send it to the customer. And that all sounds really good for your point of view, but like if a customer buys that product, when they're buying a product from China, they think they're actually buying it from your website, right? So that gives the customer a bad shopping experience because they're going to be waiting over a month to get the product. It all depends on the shipping, but the slowest is 1 month. It's China Post. Second slowest is ePacket, which that takes about a week and a half to receive, a week to 2 weeks. And then there's express shipping, which costs like at minimum $40 to ship. So most drop shippers, they usually pick ePacket. Most of them even pick the China Post one, and it's just a mess. You're just gonna get a bunch of chargebacks and people complaining, and it's just, you're not building a long-term business. Instead, what you're doing is doing a side hustle, kind of a sketchy business. And that's what TikTok, drop shipping, and all that stuff is about. I don't like it personally. I like this. Amazon is what I like to do. There are other things that you can do to make money online. Like for me, I like Amazon. But if you're a beginner and you don't have any money, check out affiliate marketing. That actually does good. You can actually make money with affiliate marketing, and you don't need a big audience at all. So what affiliate marketing is that, let's say all the big companies have this. It's when you bring the lead or customer to the website and they buy the product or service, they automatically give you a commission for bringing in that customer. So that's what affiliate marketing is. It's a lot better. A lot of big companies have this. Amazon, there's so many things out there, right? And Amazon's even doing an affiliate program where you can even leave video reviews of the products that you're doing. Like if you shop on Amazon, you can literally do a video review of the product, post it, and if somebody watches your video and purchases that product, you automatically get a commission. I mean, you can really scale that, make a lot of money online, and that doesn't require any investment like selling on Amazon. And if you've ever been interested in selling on Amazon or want to learn how to do exactly what I do, my whole YouTube channel is all about teaching you guys how to do it for free. I even made a free course for you guys where there's nothing needed to learn this whole process. All I ask is you just hit that subscribe button down below and you like this video. That's all the support I need. If you want to learn how to sell on Amazon and make full-time business with this, I have a free course in the description, and my whole YouTube channel is all about the information to help you guys out as much as possible. This is what I do full-time, and honestly, after learning the whole process for me, now I work about at most 3 or 4 hours a week on this at most. And you know, everything's really automated because all my products are in Amazon's warehouse and all my products are Amazon Prime. So when a customer buys it, Amazon does all the work for me. They ship it to the customer, they pack the order, they deliver it. I just need to make sure my product is very high quality, I don't run out of inventory, and I rank it on the first page. These are all the things that I need to do, and then Amazon does the rest. Of course, though, you need to find the right product to start selling. That is very, very important. And I teach you guys exactly what I do with all the information on my channel and on my free course. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video real clear to you guys that there's a lot of fake knowledge out there, fake gurus, just so much. It's crazy to me. Yeah, if you're going to learn from somebody, make sure that they're showing you exactly how much they make from it and the honest truth from it, because there's a lot of fake knowledge out there. Yeah, that's about it, guys. If you're ever interested, want to learn, just hit that subscribe button. All my videos are about making money online and bettering yourself, really. So yeah, that's about it. See you guys on the next one. Peace.